Leaf of life is used in Jamaican folklore for a bunch of spiritual stuff. One of the most common spiritual uses of leaf of life is for protection. You can put the leaves around your house or carry them on you to keep evil spirits and bad vibes away. Leaf of life is also used to clean and purify sacred spaces. On top of its protective powers, leaf of life is also said to help you heal and feel good. People use it in rituals to bring about good health, wealth, and abundance. Leaf of life is also supposed to boost your psychic abilities and help you grow spiritually. Here are some specific examples of how leaf of life is used spiritually in Jamaican folklore. To protect against evil spirits, put leaf of life leaves around your house or carry them on you. To clean and purify a sacred space, mix crushed leaf of life leaves with water and wash the space with it. To bring about good health, drink tea made from leaf of life leaves or put crushed leaves on the affected area. To promote prosperity and abundance, put leaf of life leaves in a bowl of rice or other grains. To enhance psychic abilities and spiritual development, meditate with a leaf of life leaf in your hand, or put a leaf under your pillow at night. These are just a few examples of the many spiritual uses of leaf of life in Jamaican folklore. People use the plant in a variety of other ways, depending on their own needs and beliefs.